Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to pin elements to the screen in the Wix editor. This is a great way to keep important items, like buttons or menus, visible to visitors as they scroll through your website. Let's get started. On your Wix editing dashboard, if we want to pin an element, for example, this one, all we need to do is click the element and then click the position option. Here, we will see the position type. Now, we will change this to pin. As you can see, it is now pinned. Now, if we select another element, we just pin it the same way. Then, we choose where we want to pin it. For example, let's pin this to the page. It will be pinned once we are done. As you can see, that is how we pin elements on Wix. Just make sure the element is unstretched, because pinning will not work if it is stretched. And that is it. Now we know how to pin elements to the screen in the Wix editor.